Hello, thank you for watching a video about the Corona Standard Typewriter from 1935. I'll show you a few of the features of this fine machine. If you look over here, there's a really cool Art Deco design on the side and the same on the other side. If we look up top, move the carriage out of the way just a little bit here, you see that the top cover is on a hinge. Earlier models just lifted off. The 1935 model is on a hinge, and you can see the type bars and everything in there, as well as the serial number, which is located over here. And the lighting is not going to show that up, but it is located in that corner. Show you a little bit about how this types. I'm going to insert some paper and set the camera down for just a minute. Okay, and I'll show you how this works. Okay, so as you can see, a little oil wouldn't be a bad idea to keep those from sticking, but it does type quite well. And you're going to get a nice clean type out of this machine. The ribbon selection does not appear to work. It does move from position to position, but as I'm moving it, it doesn't move the ribbon or the carriage anywhere. So, and then this as well does not stay in place. Other than that, all functions are operable. Most people ask, so I'll show you. The bell does work. And that's the Corona Standard for 1935. Thank you for watching my video, and it is available for purchase on Etsy. Please see the link below.